Welcome families to our new school year, 2021 to 2022. This is the second and third grade classroom combo. Here's information of how to get a hold of me either on campus or in a cyber world. If I haven't reached out to you, please do so. And a little bit about myself. I'm one of those people that always just need to do things one thing at a time. So this quote really resonates with me. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. I've been here for 19 years at Salt River. I lived in Chandler all that time with my family. I love just playing outside, riding my bike, going hiking, or doing some 5Ks. I'm from the Donna Autumn Nation, the San Lucie Village in Ella Bend. And I went to school at ASU, got my business and marketing degree, then went back to school and received my elementary education master's. I decided to go into teaching just because I wanted to help and support people to be the best version of themselves. I really honestly believe that each person has a little seed of potential inside. But just like in nature, we need some help. Water, food, sun. So I like to say that I'm kind of the sun in your life to help sprout and grow all of your potential. Here's our classroom. Your student can probably describe a little bit more about where their locker is, what workshops we have, what we do in the different areas. And this is what our learning looks like. One of my goals is that to really get a strong set of listening skills. So we do take notes. That to me is most important, is that the students are able to listen and take turns. We do have an outside classroom where if we get too squirrely, or if it's just the weather's great, or even our lesson has to be outside, we do that. And we have a great relationship with Officer Brown. He comes in on Thursdays and reads books, storybooks to us, and we talk about it and share our thoughts and ideas about books. A big topic in our classroom is self-empowerment. We all as human beings have the power to choose what we are going to be like today. What emotion are we going to have? We choose to react to that emotion. And that's where I help the students be their best version of a good choice in working through those emotions, whether it be a happy emotion and we celebrate, or frustration or anger, and working through helping ourselves feel better. Here's our classroom schedule from 7:45 to 2:25 right now. And please note that each grade level has their own culture class. And so they are going with other third graders to culture and other second graders to culture. So what is our second graders learning? Well, you'll see more of this just like a little bit last year. I do send these progress reports. I will let you know how close they are to reaching these goals. But hopefully every square is full by the end of the year. And they'll be ready for third grade. And then third graders have goals as well, and you'll see this during progress reports. I won't send the whole chart. I will just send the row that we're working on for those 9 weeks. So you'll kind of see the progress. And here we are. I'm celebrating us as a classroom family, and we are just some brilliant, beautiful people. But I appreciate you watching this video, and I encourage you to watch the other school departments and see the great plans for this year. Please listen to the videos from Culture, ESS Specials, and our FACE class. Each department has a mystery word for a total of 5 words to create a special message. Our word is stars. That's who we are, stars. If you solve the mystery sentence, just contact me either through Dojo or texting. And we do have prizes, but they are limited, so the faster you solve or view and then solve, you're more apt to get a prize. And I wish you all the luck in getting all the 5 words, and welcome back.